Hi, it's Julie. Welcome back to day 23 of our 28 Days of Pilates challenge. We're within touching distance of the last day. Don't lose the faith now. Stick with it. We're only on the mat for 10 minutes. Let's jump down. Join me for our arms and upper back workout if you're not already there. So we're going to come into side lying. Bring the arms out in front. Make sure that you've got some pillows for your head, so as your head is not just hanging off of your spine there. So be comfortable, support that spine, support the head, it's a big weight. Draw that underneath shoulder away. Both arms out in front, stacking yourself up, shins parallel to the long edge of the mat. Taking a little breath or two here just to, as always, connect to the breathing and our center. So breath in, feel the ribs expand in this position, and then exhale through the mouth, draw that belly button in towards your spine. Take another breath here, breathing in. And then as you exhale, centering there. Good. We're going to start with some arm openings. So breathing out to move, you're going to float that arm up. You're going to rotate with it to the sky, to the ceiling, and then take a little breath and then just rotate open. Moving from that rib cage, keep reaching that arm away so the scapula doesn't retract. Keep reaching the scapula away. And then you're going to just close it down. We're doing 2 more like that, breathing out. Just find a little flow. Lower body stays facing the front, and you're taking that twist through the upper back here. Upper mid back, last one. And then exhale, keep reaching those fingers away. Press into the arm lightly on the mat can help you get that little rotation. Stay stacked on those hips though, and then close in there. Beautiful work. We're now going to take the arm up in a circle. So again, walk the arm to 12 o'clock, stay with that rotation. This time just keep looking at the sky and let your arm continue all the way around. So arm circles here, just 2 more. You rotate to the sky and then just let your arms circle all the way around. Just make sure your space is clear, relatively clear, so you can get that arm. If it feels stuck, just bring the arm up, don't force it, and down, and then finish your circle. Beautiful, good. Press yourself up from there, coming into a little side plank. So pop your cushions off, keep them handy because we're going to repeat all of that on the other side. Side plank of your choice. You can be here. You can be here. You can hook the feet and side plank, or you can stack. So I'm going to go to stack, which is the kind of full version. Arm, elbow under the shoulder or thereabouts. Remember to think of lifting the ribs so long on both sides of the waist when you're ready. Pressing into that shoulder nice and strong, lifting the hips, underneath body engaged, head with that spine, draw the ribs down. A lot of work going on here. Breathing here. Hold that balance. Breathing in, breathing out. Thinking of that center, giving you that support. For 3, 2, 1. Gently bring yourself down. Scoot your legs round, and we'll just quickly repeat that on the other side. So bring your pillows, set yourself up front of the mat so you're nice and comfortable with the arms, with the head, sorry. So legs in that kind of chair position. All of your joints stacked up, and then just relax yourself down underneath shoulder, away from the ear, really important. And then arms out in front, lengthen the waist, underneath the waist, and then breathing out center. You're rotating to the sky. Keep reaching those fingers, but move from the ribs. So you're opening, but you're staying stacked. No rolling off those hips, if you can help it. Good. Breathing out to move. And reaching. Take the head and neck with you in this one. So you're always following the arm or the hand with the head and the neck. So that lovely twist through the upper mid back. Beautiful work. And then closing it down. It feels really nice. Good. Into our circles. So just taking the hand up to 12 o'clock. Allow yourself just to rotate and move with that. And then just you stay looking to the sky. And then just circle the arm. Closing it off there, breathing out. And just find a little flow. Remember, if you do find a sticking point, just lift the arm where it is. Don't ever force it. No good to force it. Good. And all the way around from there. Beautiful work. Pressing yourself up to take our little side plank on this side. Popping your cushions off. Same version as you took On the other side, bringing that elbow underneath the shoulder here, stacking everything up, lengthen that waist. So watch for that waist falling out. Press into the forearm, out of your shoulder, protect your shoulder, and then you're pressing up from the underneath side of the body. Good, being strong in that tummy and that core to help you, give you that support here. Good. So try and enjoy it, breathing. And exhale. Keep the muscles in the face relaxed. Keep thinking of the underneath side of the body pressing up to support you here. Just a few more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Gently bring yourself down. Good job. Bring the legs in. Press yourself up. We're going to come into a seated position. So just bring yourself into cross-legged. You just lengthen up through the crown of your head, and we're just going to work our arms a little bit here. So bringing your arms up in line with the shoulders, turn the palms to face the ceiling, and then just bring them in towards the shoulders. So it's a little bit, well, it is a bicep curl, which is what we're doing. If you had weights and you wanted to use the weights for this little set, then by all means, or a couple of tins or whatever, water bottles, by all means bring them in. More than welcome. So nice and full, keeping the elbows up. We're bringing that arm all the way in, we're reaching it all the way back out. We're tall on those sit bones, so we're nice and lengthened through the spine. Good. Last 2. And then here, keep the arms out. You're gonna open the arms to the T and then draw them back in. So open wide through the front of that chest and draw them in. So the arms are literally just sliding in and sliding away. Widen that chest. So again, try and center a little bit to support, stabilize your spine. So it's just the arms moving. We're up tall on those sit bones. Feel your shoulder blades coming sort of together here if you take the arms a little bit behind the spine. Last one, hold the arms open here, just pulse back, soft bend in the elbows, pulsing back for the shoulder blades for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, hold this time, arms overhead, and then back down, and then up, and then back down. Try and avoid hitting anything on the way up and down. Good, keep a little softness through those elbows, but go for a big move. So again, shoulder blades moving up and down the ribs here. Really all the healthy moves for the shoulders in this little set. And if you're doing it with the weights, then oh my goodness, well done. Good, 2, and 1, hold here. Connect your hands, like a kind of prayer position. Keep the elbows in and just take the hands behind the head and lift them up. So watch for the chin dropping. The chin stays in line with your breastbone, and you're just literally, again, it's just the movement from the shoulders and the arms. So keep that eye on the horizon. Keep the elbows in, so watch for the elbows going out. Keep them in, close into the side of the head. Draw that belly button in. Keep the shoulders nice and relaxed. 3, 2, 1. Keep the hands up, turn the palms forward, just zigzagging the hands all the way down in front of the body. And then we're going to zigzag them all the way back up. Good. And then back down. And guess what? We're just going to repeat that set. So turn the palms up, same thing. So in, and now if you've got the weights, you can drop them or just stick with it. You can do it. They will be feeling like lead weights probably around about now. I should have said we were doing the sequence twice. That would have given you little clues to whether you should use the weights or not, but you can do it. I know you can. Good, holding here. Open out and in, and out and in. So get those shoulder blades moving. Keep centering and in. 3, 2, 1. Arms open, pulse back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Overhead and down, and up, and down. Good. And down. Soft bend, tall spine. Oh my, I feel it. 3, 2, and 1. Bring the palms together, little dips, keep the head up. Breathe out. And I feel the arms now. We've got it. 3, Last one, keep the arms up, palms forward, little zigzags, last little bit of work. Good, in front of the body, and then all the way back up here. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Arms down, and you're done with your workout for the day. Give your shoulders a little roll, relax them down the back, give the arms a little shake, and I will see you back on your mat tomorrow. Well done.